With the ARCHLine.XP site tools, you can locate your project exactly on the planet using address or GPS coordinates. I can generate a terrain for any location that has accurate site data and accurately mapped satellite imagery on topography model. I can import terrain model and have the terrain exactly located using GPS coordinates. Terrain properties include the 3D display mode. The display can be done with triangles, contour lines, and a grid. I can import satellite view as raster image. You can import image data into the floor plan view of the ARCHLine.XP project, which can also be displayed in the 3D view. About modeling. 3D site modeling covers all elements added to the building structure. The site plan consists of topography lines, roads, zones, and the building plateau. Site model is complete, it can be coordinated with the building model. The site and the building can be precisely aligned by specifying the elevation above sea level. Terrain has its specific tools for modeling roads by tracing the road path. The program cuts the road into the terrain, or completes and fills into the missing areas according to the road height. A plateau is required when topography is added to the 3D model because it cuts through the terrain where a floor is not able to. For more information and videos, visit our website ARCHLine.XP.com. Download ARCHLine.XP now.